Hello friends, today in this video I am going to demonstrate you that how to create a simple quiz using the Google form. So for creating the quiz using the Google form, you need to open one blank Google form. So when you open the Google form, this is my blank Google form. Then dear students, you need to give the name to your quiz, that for example, quiz on unit 1. Then friends, you need to describe your quiz. So you need to write the description for the quiz of your form. So now this is the Google form. To convert this form into a quiz, dear friends, you need to select this setting icon. So this pop-up window will open. There are the three settings here in these settings. One is general settings, presentation and quizzes. To make to convert your form into a quiz, select this one. So then you need to turn on this, make this form a quiz. Then after you need to do some settings regarding the grades. Now there are two options available. You can release the grade immediately after the submission, or else after getting all the responses, you can also release the grade manually. So for this form right now I am selecting this icon. Then the another setting is regarding the missed questions. If you want, if you being a teacher, if you want that your students, if by chance they miss any single question, so if you have selected this one, the message will appear on the screen of the student that you have missed out the questions. Okay. If you being a teacher, if you want that your students can see the correct answer, then you can select this on, or you can, if you don't want that your students will see the uh, correct answer, then you can off this button. And the last one regarding the point values, that is, if you want that your students can see the point value regarding the each questions, then you can always turn on. Then you need to save it. So now your form is being converted into a quiz. Now I am adding the first question, and my first question is simply because all teacher want that we submitting the quiz. So name of the student, and for that I need to give the space to the student to write their name. So I will select the short answer type, then turn on the required button. So now your first basic information is ready. Now again, for example, I want roll number. So again I am selecting the short answer type. Again you need to turn on the required button. Now I'm just adding the question. For example, my first question is, goodwill is which type of assets? This is my first question. As my quiz is MCQ type quiz, I will select the multiple choice. Otherwise, you have the option paragraph, short answer, whatever. But I'm keeping it this. Then here you need to paste your options. So the first is fixed assets. Then by chance they are giving this option also. Then current assets. Tangible assets. So my options are ready. Now, as this is the quiz, not the simple Google form, so you need to turn on the required button on. You need to assign the point value, grade value. So for that, you need to select the answer key. So when you select the answer key, this will appear on your screen. By here, you can give the grade as you want to give. For example, I want to give 1 marks, so I'm selecting 1. Otherwise you can select 2, 3, 4, that depends on you. Then you need to select the right answer, and then you need to select, you need to done it. So now your first question is ready. Now you can see that 1 point is appear here, and your right answer is also ticked. Then to add the next question, again you need to click the plus icon. Now for example, bank balance is which type of assets? This is my second question. Again, I am selecting the multiple choice type. I need to add the options, that is the fixed assets, current asset, and tangible asset. So now these are my options. Now don't forget to turn on the required button on. Then don't forget to give the points to your questions. Also select the right answer and done it. Now I want to add that, for example, true and false type question. So again, same way you can add the true and false type. For example, only monetary transactions are recorded in. This is one statement which is I am giving to you. So for that, you need to write true, false. Again, turn on your require button on, give the points, and select the right answer. Now friends, suppose my quiz is ready. I have pasted all my 10 questions. Okay. Now what to do? How if I want to give good look, for example, I want to give good look to my quiz. So you need to select this. Then choose the image. So this pop-up will open. There are the ready-made themes are available. You can also upload your own image. For example, if you have image of your accountancy textbook, you can upload from here. Okay, so right now I'm selecting this image. And you need to insert it. Actually, this will give a good look to your quiz. You can also select the themes to your quiz. Now your quiz is ready. Being a teacher, you want to see the look of your quiz. You need to see the preview of your quiz. So for that, to see the preview, you need to select this eye icon. So now your preview is here. So this is how your quiz will appear. For example, I am attending this quiz as a teacher, as a student. I'm randomly select the options and submitting. So now see, this will appear because I have kept the option on, that is the immediately after the submission the students can see the grades. So by clicking here, student can see the grades. See how this will appear. Now my quiz is ready and I want to send this quiz to my students. So for that you need to select send. So this will pop-up window will appear. Now there are the various way to share this link with your students. You can, if you select this one, you can write the mail ID of all your student you can send. Okay, or else if you want to share a link, so you need to shorten URL and then copy the link. Now you can paste the link in your WhatsApp group. Even you can paste the link in your Google Classroom, or even you can paste the link in message and send it to your students. Okay. Even there are the other ways you can directly share this with by using Facebook and Twitter. So this is how I try to explain you that how to create a quiz using the Google form. Thank you very much friends for watching my video.